Afternoon, guys. Happy new month. How is your day going, guys? So today I want to prepare stew. I don't have stew in the fridge, so here's my grounded pepper and onion, tomatoes, right? And my grounded onions, my tin tomatoes. Here's my fried chicken, my cube, and curry powder. Here's the stock water, the stock meat. So stay tuned for the outcome of my chicken stew. So yeah, I'm frying the oil. This place is dark. So first, my onion will first go in. I'm going to leave it to boil for some time before I pour in my tomatoes and my grounded pepper. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. God bless you. So yeah, it's time for me to put my tin tomatoes in. How many times your sisters want to greet? You do like greeting. Greeting is good, but it's not like you be greeting all the time. Greeting. Anybody that's passing, you greet that person. Oh. Yeah, point the light for me, please. Is that? Yeah, do not charge it now. You are not doing it. Yeah, you bring the light. Your daddy did not charge it. So I'm going to leave it on it. Okay. I'm going to leave it to boil for some time before I pour in my grounded pepper and tomatoes in. Yeah, off the lights. It's time for me to pour in my tomatoes. So yeah, it's red. I want to pour in my stock water. Water is too many. I have to reserve some. Reserve that one. I can use it to cook the jollof rice. Those people, they are on their gin, they're nice. This still has stayed everywhere. Oh God. Make sure all the water will cook. Yes. You said? Which new baby are you talking about?
This is your new baby you born. And I tell you what.
Small, I've told you that I don't want to born again. No, nah. No. 3 of you is okay, yeah? I have 3 beautiful girls. It's okay. It's enough. So now I'm going to leave it to make sure the water is dry inside, yeah? You want a baby boy?
Yeah, I want baby boy.
But I'm tired. I'm tired, yeah? I don't want to give baby again, I beg. Yeah, I don't have to bother again. You and your sisters are enough. Yeah.
No, I want four
God has blessed me with these amazing, 3 beautiful, amazing girls. It's okay, yeah?
I want beautiful girl. I want beautiful small
You want beautiful small what?
girl. Beautiful small girl. Beautiful.
You don't know what you are saying. Madam, leave me alone. Leave my side. I beg, I'm in the kitchen. Bye-bye.
I want four children.
This place will still even stay. That's the problem. So yeah, it's time for me to put in my cube. And my curry powder. And a little bit of salt. Because I've seen the meat with salt already, so I don't need much salt. I'm going to leave it to cook for some minutes before I put in my meat. Thank you. So yeah, it's time for me to put in my chicken. So guys, you too, please have mercy on me. I don't know what I've done wrong. You know, I'm not saying I don't get views on my post again. I don't know what's the issue. My pardon, please. Anything that I've done, guys, forgive me. I don't know what I've done. I'm not getting views anymore. Even if I post my function pictures, I don't get view my normal, my own self, my personal original views. I still don't get views. So here is the final look of the stew and chicken stew. I'm going to leave it on the fire for some minutes to cook. Before I'll off the gas fan now. I'll finally off the gas now. I like onions very much. Let me garnish it with the onions. So please, my amazing subscribers, I know there are some of my subscribers that are real. They're always there for me, always view anything I post. They will view and support. God bless you. I really appreciate you. God, may God bless you all. I don't know what I've done, or I'm not getting view on my post again. So I don't know if somebody can inbox me and tell me what I should do and what I shouldn't do. Help the sister. Me myself, you can see I don't know anything. Just posting. God, I don't know how to edit anything though, but it is well. The Lord is my shepherd. God perfect everything. So please support a sister. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. Here is the final look of the chicken stew. Still going to on the gas for the onion to boil more in the chicken too. This thing has stained me, eh? You see the kind of work I'm working here ever since. Oh, my body has stained. So you need to clean all this place. Tight everywhere.